Welcome to your daily crypto update, where we cover the latest news and insights in the world of cryptocurrency. Today, we'll dive into Fidelity's Bitcoin holdings, Ethereum's bullish outlook, and more exciting updates. Fidelity Investments has achieved a significant milestone in its cryptocurrency investments, with its Bitcoin holdings surpassing the $150,000 mark. This achievement underscores Fidelity's growing confidence and commitment to Bitcoin as a viable investment asset. Fidelity's strategic moves into the cryptocurrency space have been well documented, with the firm consistently advocating for Bitcoin's potential to hedge against inflation and diversify investment portfolios. The latest increase in holdings aligns with Fidelity's long-term investment strategy, emphasizing the importance of digital assets in modern financial markets. This milestone not only highlights the firm's belief in Bitcoin's future, but also reflects broader institutional adoption, signaling a more robust integration of cryptocurrencies into traditional finance. For FTX creditors, the value of Bitcoin stands at a peculiar $69,000, a stark contrast to its actual market value. This discrepancy arises from the exchange rate used in the ongoing bankruptcy proceedings. FTX's collapse has left creditors in a challenging position, with many facing significant losses. The inflated valuation of Bitcoin in these proceedings is based on the exchange's internal records, not current market prices. This situation illustrates the complexities and frustrations involved in the bankruptcy process, highlighting the financial turmoil and prolonged resolution period for those affected by FTX's downfall. Recent analysis indicates that Bitcoin whales are making a significant return to the market, ramping up their Bitcoin purchases. These large-scale investors, often influential in the crypto market due to their substantial holdings, are showing renewed interest in Bitcoin. The accumulation trend among whales is seen as a bullish signal, suggesting confidence in Bitcoin's future price appreciation. This activity also underscores the ongoing appeal of Bitcoin as a store of value, especially in times of economic uncertainty. The re-entry of whales into the market could potentially drive Bitcoin prices higher, as these investors typically accumulate with a long-term perspective. According to Glassnode, a prominent blockchain analytics firm, a significant movement is brewing for Bitcoin. The firm's latest report highlights several on-chain metrics pointing towards an imminent price surge. Indicators such as increased network activity, rising hash rates, and robust accumulation by long-term holders suggest that Bitcoin is gearing up for a substantial upward movement. Glassnode's analysis emphasizes that the current market conditions are reminiscent of previous periods that preceded major rallies. This projection has garnered attention among investors and analysts, who are now closely watching Bitcoin's performance for signs of the anticipated breakout. Spot Bitcoin ETFs have witnessed an impressive streak, recording 9 consecutive days of inflows. This trend underscores growing investor confidence and interest in Bitcoin-based financial products. The continuous inflows into these ETFs highlight the increasing demand for regulated, easily accessible Bitcoin investments. As investors seek exposure to Bitcoin without directly holding the asset, ETFs offer a convenient and secure alternative. This pattern of sustained inflows is a positive sign for the market, suggesting that Bitcoin's institutional adoption is on the rise. The cumulative impact of these inflows could play a significant role in driving Bitcoin's market dynamics in the coming months. Bitcoin is currently experiencing a phase of price consolidation, which analysts believe could lead to a breakout. The critical resistance level to watch is $72,000. This consolidation phase typically precedes significant price movements, and a successful breakout above $72,000 could pave the way for new all-time highs. However, if Bitcoin fails to surpass this resistance, it might face a period of stagnation or even a pullback. Traders and investors are closely monitoring this level, considering various technical indicators and market sentiment. The outcome at this resistance level will likely shape Bitcoin's near-term trajectory and influence broader market trends. Ethereum is currently seeking to establish a price bottom as bullish investors set their sights on a $5,000 target. The recent market fluctuations have seen Ethereum prices dip, prompting analysts to identify potential support levels. Bulls are optimistic about a rebound, driven by Ethereum's strong fundamentals and upcoming network upgrades. The $5,000 target represents a significant milestone, reflecting both market confidence and the broader optimism surrounding Ethereum's future developments. As ETH continues to navigate through its price trough, the focus remains on whether the bulls can gather enough momentum to drive the price upward towards this ambitious goal. JP Morgan has weighed in on the recent approval of Ethereum spot ETFs, discussing their implications for the future of the cryptocurrency market. The financial giant highlighted the potential benefits these ETFs could bring, including increased market liquidity, broader investor participation, and enhanced credibility for Ethereum as an investment asset. JP Morgan's analysis suggests that the approval of these ETFs marks a significant milestone for Ethereum, likely to attract more institutional investors and potentially drive up the asset's price. The bank also speculated on the long-term impact, suggesting that Ethereum could see a surge in mainstream adoption as a result. Anthony Scaramucci, a prominent hedge fund manager, has predicted that Solana could be the next cryptocurrency to have an ETF. His prediction is based on Solana's growing ecosystem, increasing adoption, and robust technological framework. Scaramucci believes that Solana's unique attributes make it a strong candidate for an ETF, which would provide investors with another regulated avenue to gain exposure to cryptocurrencies. The introduction of a Solana ETF could further legitimize the asset and drive its adoption among institutional investors. Scaramucci's forecast has generated excitement in the crypto community, with many speculating on the potential impact such an ETF could have on Solana's market position. The price of Dogecoin has taken a notable dip following the death of Kabosu, the Shiba Inu dog that inspired the popular cryptocurrency. Kabosu's passing marks the end of an era for the Dogecoin community, which has long celebrated the dog as a symbol of their currency. The sentimental impact of this event has translated into market movements, with some investors choosing to sell off their holdings. Despite this dip, many in the community remain optimistic about Dogecoin's long-term prospects, viewing this moment as a reflective pause rather than a significant downturn. The enduring popularity of Dogecoin continues to be driven by its strong community and widespread recognition. Thanks for tuning into our crypto news update. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on today's stories.